the pastor had fallen morally,
Gembala utamanya jatuh dalam dosa imoralitas,
was unrepentant,
nggak bertobat lagi.
and I needed to remove that pastor.
Dan saya mesti mengeluarkan gembala yang jatuh dalam dosa itu.
Really difficult.
Sangat sulit posisi bagi saya.
But the board helped me,
Tetapi board dewan di situ
the
membantu saya.
leaders helped me,
Pemimpin di situ membantu
and
saya.
they continued to lead the church.
Dan terus menerus mereka memimpin gereja itu.
After a while, they said, Pastor, we're getting worn out. We need a pastor.
Dan akhirnya berkembang, mereka jemaat berkata, Pastor Pat, kami perlu gembala yang baru.
So we searched,
Dan kami mulai cari.
and we put someone in place.
Dan kami menaruh orang di situ.
I was a bit concerned.
Saya juga sangat prihatin dengan orang itu.
I was concerned at their capacity,
Mengenai kapasitasnya.
and my concern proved to be true.
Dan bentuk concern saya itu terbukti benar.
After about a year, we needed to get someone else.
Setahun kemudian kami mesti diganti orang ini.
Okay, think church in difficulty.
Jadi itu gereja yang dalam kesulitan.
So I'm seeking God.
Saya mulai mencari Tuhan.
Who could pastor this?
Siapa yang bisa jadi mengganti pastor di situ?
And the Holy Spirit brought to mind a pastor whose name was Rock.
Kemudian Roh Kudus mengingat saya seorang gembala namanya Rock.
But he lived a 10-hour drive from Kampala.
Tetapi masalahnya gereja dia itu 10 jam jauhnya dalam perjalanan darat dari Kampala.
And he was running a great church in the village.
Dan dia mengembangkan gereja yang luar biasa di sebuah kabupaten ya.
So I said, Rock, could you pastor both churches?
Saya bilang, Rock, bisa nggak kamu mengembangkan gereja di kabupaten dan juga di
And
kota?
maybe for some time in a month you're there, and sometime in a month you're there.
Ya, mungkin berapa bulan di sini, berapa bulan di sini.
And he considered and prayed,
Dan dia berdoa,
and he said yes,
karena iya.
and it was going well.
Dan kemudian bisa berjalan dengan baik.
But then I got a phone call from one of the church members,
Kemudian saya dapat telepon dari salah satu jemaat.
and he said, Pastor Rock made an announcement.
Pastor Rock membuat announcement pengumuman.
He said he will soon move back to the village.
Dia akan segera kembali ke kabupaten.
That God has called him away from the city to the village.
Tuhan bawa dia keluar dari kota, masuk ke desa atau kabupaten.
The old God called me trick, huh?
Nah, ini cara-cara pengelabuan model lama.
It's not easy to work with someone when they say that, right?
Kadang-kadang itu sulit untuk bisa berbicara dengan orang yang punya
So I said, Rock, no more announcements.
Rock, no more announcement, jangan ada pengumuman lagi.
Let's meet together
Ayo berjumpa
and
kita.
talk about this.
Ayo kita berbincang hal ini.
Before the meeting, I'm saying, God, help me.
Tuhan, tolong saya
I
Tuhan.
know this guy is called.
Saya tahu orang ini terpanggil.
How can I help him to see that?
Bagaimana saya menolong